Hello my dear students. So recently I have posted a video regarding the ICMR Group B Assistant Examination. Hope you all have seen it. But in that video I missed it to explain some of the points to you. So that is what in this video I am going to explain. So the 3 points I have to explain in here that I have missed in the previous video. The first one is the expected cutoff for the examination. The expected cutoff and the overall cutoff, that is after the skill test and the phase 1 marks adding. So that's what I have to explain in this video. Then coming to the other one is, when is the examination result? The result of the examination is going to be declared, that is phase 1 and also after the skill test and interview. Okay, so that's the other thing. Then the next thing I have to say is the category wise cutoff for the examination. Category wise cutoff, so that will be explained in this video. So students, these informations will be very helpful for you, so those who have given the examination and for waiting for the result. So students, talking about the first one, expected cutoff. So before speaking about this expected cutoff, all I have to say is that you must understand the level of the examination. So I have done a small polling on our channel, and the feedback I got is that the examination was easy to very easy. So much of the students were saying the examination was very easy, and some others were saying easy, and some were saying moderate, but this moderate were only a few numbers. So let's ignore that. You can see here easy to very easy. So definitely guys, out of these 80 questions you have done for the tier 1 examination, if you are a general category candidate, scoring 72 plus is a good score, and there is a 90% chance that you will be going to the skill test. Okay, so that is what regarding the general category candidate 72 plus. So students, OBC, if you are an OBC candidate or EWS, there is nothing much change is going to take place in the cutoff mark. You have to score 70 plus or 69 plus. That is the expected cutoff for the phase 1 examination. Examination is that much tight and competitive because the exam was that much of level, and but in the notification it is saying that this for the skill test about 5 times the candidate will be called for the skill test to attend the phase 2 examination. So what you can infer from this point? So students, I have said that if you have scored 72 plus or 70 plus, that is right answer around this score, definitely there is a chance that you will be making to the final list. So that is what I have explained, that you will be making to the final list. But for the skill test, there is a chance that you will be called, because there is 5 times the candidates are called. So if you are scoring about 60 plus or 65 plus, definitely I'm talking about the general category, definitely you are going to get definitely you may be called for the skill test. But for getting into the final list means you have to score that much of mark, because so much of the students will be scoring this 20 marks for the skill test. So students, that is what the main thing regarding it. So regarding the overall cutoff for the examination, for 100, definitely students, for general category it will be around 85 plus. If you score this much of mark, that is the combined of phase 1 and phase 2, definitely you are going to get into the examination. But see students, if you are not getting into that much of point for the OBC candidates, but for the OBC candidates or other category wise, EWS or SC or ST or anything like that, students, there is a chance that you will be cracking if you have the overall score of 80 plus or 75 plus for SC and ST. So try to score full marks in the skill test. Do not lose any mark, and about 98 percentage of the students will score full marks in the skill test. So it's all depend upon your phase 1 level. So if you have done well in the phase 1 level, definitely there is a good chance that you will score, you will crack the examination. Then what was the other thing we were planning to say regarding the category wise cutoff? Students, category wise cutoff, all I have to say is, for general category, out of 80, I am talking about the phase 1, if you score about 70 plus, definitely there is a chance, because that much of competitive the examination was, and within 2-3 mark difference you can calculate the other category wise cutoff and all. So that's it regarding it. So let's come into the result date. So students, so many were asking me when is the result date. It is clearly mentioned in the notification that the result will be published on the official website uh, within the 10 days of the commencement of this examination, tier 1 examination. And the skill test, you will be getting a 2-week gap or 1-week gap for the examination, and the final result will be around by the month of March or April. So that much fast, and this recruitment process is. So hope this video was helpful for you. So that is all regarding the result and all. So you can expect the result at any time in the month of January itself. So there is a most probably 90% chance that the exam result is going to be in the next 1 week or the other week, coming week. Okay, so that's what regarding this video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to the channel.